H14 example 10. Newspaper boy has the following probability of selling a magazine. Number of copies sold and probabilities were given in the question. And the cost price is CPS 3 and space 5. He cannot return the magazine but each 4 rupees 1 only. Okay, prepare the payoff table. Here we can assume that A1, A2, A3 are the strategies and the events D1, D2, D3 and D4 are the events. Okay, we can calculate the payoff. Here the 4 order matrix is corresponding to the payoff table. That is why we have to definitely get the 16 outcomes. Okay, then first of all A1 represents 10 and D1 represents 2, A2 represents 11, D2 represents 12, A3 12, D3 12, A4 13 and D4 13. Okay, so first of all we have to write 10. That is here 10 copies first of all must sold, can sold and compulsory produce 10 copies as per the demand. So they are producing 10 copies. So making cost is 3. 10 3s are. And 10 copies are demanded. That is D1. 10 copies are demanded. Demanded copies can be sold in selling price. That is 10 into 5 equal to 50. Then its answer is 50 minus 30 equal to 20. Okay. Then take the case of A2. A2 the number of persons 11. As per this strategy, we can make 11 copy making cost is 3. But corresponding demand only D1 represented 10. We can sold only 10 copies. That price is 10 into 5. That is selling price 50. While writing this, 10 3s are 33, 10 5s are 50. You never try to deduct 33 minus 50 because this is the payoff table. Payoff table always represents the revenue or profit having positive figures. Okay. The next one, A3. As per the action or strategy, we have to produce how many copies? 12 copies. What's the cost price? 3. But corresponding demand, that is D1, represents 10. We can sold only 10 copies. What's the selling price? As per the demand, 5. Okay. Here the same way, 10 into 5, 12 into 3. The next one, A4. A4 here, 13. Strategy, according to the strategy, 13 copies we can make. That is 13 into 3. But we can sold only 10 copies at a selling price 5. Here you can see the barabar number, that is produced, that is sold and make is equal, that is 10. But here sold is 10 but making is 11. Here 1 copy is extra. This 1 copy can be sold at rupees 1 directly given in the question. So after deducting this 10 into 5 minus 11 into 3, we can add additional income, that is excess 1 copy is there. This 1 copy can be sold at rupees 1, that is 1 into 1 equal to 1, that is 1. We can add it. Check that 10 5s are 50, 50 minus 11 3s are 33 and 1 copy it can sold at rupees 1. The different addition while adding this 50 minus 33 equal to, what's the figure? 17. 17 plus 1 equal to 18. Okay. The next case A3D1. A3D1 we can check this. 12 copies we made but 10 copies we sold, 2 copies extra. So 10 into 5 that is 50 minus 12 into 3 that is 36 equal to 14. How many copies extra? It's a difference 2. 2 copies can be sold at rupees 1, that is equal to 2. Then 14 equal to, that is 50 minus 36 equal to 14. 14 plus 2 equal to Answer is 60. Okay. In this way we can solve all this one. And corresponding A1 D1 we can prepare the payoff table and quote the figures. And probabilities are given in the question. So we can calculate EMB. First day 20 is the corresponding figures 0.1, 0.3, 0.4, 0.2. Told you that the value is a positive one. Adding this we can understand this. And multiply A1, A2, A3, A4 and totaling we will get EMB like this way. Our motto is to select the highest EMB. Here the greatest EMB represents A3, that is value is 22. Okay, so A3 is the optimal after we take a decision. And the number of copies ordered as per A3. What is A3? A1, A2, A3 or D1, D2, D3. The number is 12. Okay. To find the expected number of sale, we multiply the number of copies sold and the probability. First one, expected number of sale. 10 into with the corresponding probability 0.1. Next order copy 11, that is 0.3. Okay. And the next one 12, that is 0.4. Next is 13, that is 0.2. And answer is 11.7 approximated to 12. Got it?